everybody, I'm back. And guess what? We hit 100 subscribers. If you're new here, welcome to my channel and welcome to The Cute Life. I'm your cult leader, Leah. And today I'm just doing a little get ready with me video to celebrate having hit 100 subscribers. I know to some people that's not a lot, but to me it is. To think that even 100 people like what I'm doing on YouTube, I think that's a cause celebrating. And I'm going to. Okay, yeah. So I know what a lot of you are thinking right now. You're like, why are you celebrating? Because 100 subscribers is not that much. And I know that, but I need every little win I can get these days, and I'm gonna take it. Besides, it's like, maybe it is only 100 subscribers, but you know that they're the right 100 subscribers because I've been doing this for a while, so. And I'm only at 100 subscribers, but I have a feeling, I can just tell the people who are subscribed are the right people, because they'd have to be to subscribe so early on in this little YouTube adventure of mine. To be an early adopter of this channel must mean you're cool, because I know it's kind of a hodgepodge of stuff. I do a little bit of makeup, I do a little bit of Disney, I do books, I do other things. I started this channel doing nails and just talking about my businesses that I had. But as life changes, so will my channel. A lot of you know this already, but I no longer have the salons. I guess I thought I had made it through all the COVID stuff. A lot of people lost their businesses because of the restrictions. And I thought I had made it through. But there was one last blow that I could not survive, even after we were all open again permanently. And that was the owner of the building that I rented my 2 spaces out of. It was the same owner. It was in the same building. One was just above the other. And he decided to sell the building. And the new people that came in, well, 1, they raised the rent. And 2, they were just not good property owners. And I'll just leave it at that. But I couldn't move us. I barely got through COVID, and there was no money to move the businesses to another space. So I'm not gonna lie, I was kind of a little frustrated with the whole industry anyway, and I needed a break for reals. Like, for 2 years it was crisis mode with these businesses. I mean, I had only been in business for like a year when all this happened, and I mean, that first year is rough. I mean, the first few years are rough. But I had made it through my first year, and I was finally starting to turn a little bit of a profit, and I was getting all excited. And then the shutdowns happened, and that set me back a whole lot. And then even after all those were finally truly over, then this happened with the landlord. So I just couldn't take it anymore. I'm not saying I'll never open another salon again. I honestly don't know. I do like the idea of owning my own business. I always had, so that's why I opened the salon. These days, I don't know if I'm still feeling it. At least not that type of business. I don't know. Who knows? Like, I'm still kind of jaded over all of it. So right now, I'm just doing what's making me happy, and what's making me happy is this channel and exploring some other things in life. I started a little bit of gardening. I obviously love to read, so I've been reading a lot more, and sharing it on this channel makes me super happy. So I'm just gonna keep doing that until it doesn't make me happy anymore, I guess, but we'll see. It's a ride, right? As usual, if I forget to mention what I'm using, it'll be listed in the description below. So yeah, 100 subscribers. And it got me thinking about other stuff that I want to do on this channel. Now, the Disney stuff, I'm gonna keep doing that. We actually just got back from Disney, a little overnight trip that we did. So that video will be, it might be up by now, by the time this one's up. So anyway, what I was trying to get at was that I like the whole like vlogging thing, and I want to do some more vlogs, maybe some like home vlogs. And I liked doing the one when I went to Ulta that one time and just taking you guys along with me. Probably just the mailman. But yeah, I liked taking you guys along with me, and that's the kind of stuff I want to keep doing for a while. So this is my goal. This is my goal, to have my makeup shorts on Mondays. I would like to be doing my Beauty and the Bibliophile series on Wednesdays, but I don't know how realistic it is to have a Beauty and the Bibliophile episode every Wednesday, because those take me a long time. So it'll either be that or something like this, like a get ready with me, or if I have some new products that I want to share, that kind of videos on Wednesdays. And then on Fridays I want to do my vlogs. So that is my goal. That is what I want to happen. That is what I'm putting out into the universe right now as I'm talking to you. And yeah, let's see how that goes. I'm hoping it's not too much. 3 videos a week is pretty substantial, especially the kinds that I want to do. The shorts, not so much. Those are pretty easy. I'm doing my makeup anyway for the day. I just put my phone right there at my vanity and go at it. It's no big deal. And I can edit those videos on my phone wherever I'm at. If I'm at work, in between clients, or waiting in line for something, whatever. Like, those are pretty easy. It's really just those Beauty and the Bibliophile ones that are the most labor intensive. But I really like those and I want to keep doing them. So I'm gonna try. We'll see how it goes. I was thinking maybe even vlogging some of like my band practice and that kind of stuff. I thought that would be pretty fun. We do have a new music video coming out soon. It's almost done. Gonna be a little while still, but it's really, really close to being done. We've been working on it for like 2 years. So yeah, if you want to see that, let me know in the comments. You know, I have another channel for the band, but I thought maybe I could upload it here too, or maybe I can just link it when it does come out. You guys let me know in the comments what's the best way to make sure that you see it, if you want to see it. Okay, brows. Wow, I need to tweeze them first. Hold on. Okay, I went ahead and just did my brows off camera because it's easier that way. And today I thought I would play with my little Mermaid palette. I got this a while back and haven't played with it a whole lot. I did a few shorts with it, but I want to play with it today. So, we need something festive, celebratory. Almost forgot my eyeshadow primer. Okay, eyeshadow primer on. So, one thing you guys may have noticed that I did not do well with this year's New Year's resolution. My New Year's resolution was to not buy any eyeshadow palettes for the whole year, because I have like 20 of them, and for some, you know, beauty YouTubers, that's not a lot at all. But for me, it is. I don't, like, I have so many, I'll never use it all. So I was able to part with a couple, but some of them I just can't, because they like mean something to me, right? I wore it, it was for this special occasion, or it was a collab with an artist that I really like, or something. Like, it's just not makeup to me. So anyway, like, I was like, so you know what, Leah, stop buying eyeshadow palettes, go through what you have, and then you can buy some more eyeshadow palettes. But I've already fallen off the wagon twice, and it's only March. So yeah, that's not going so well. But you know what? It's all Disney's fault. It's those Disney collabs that just, they get me every time. The packaging is so adorable, and it's, you know, I love Disney. I blame Disney for a lot of things. So I'm trying to do something like kind of sparkly and honestly, I don't know what I'm trying to do. I just see something kind of like Frozen inspired. This stuff's getting all over. Ooh, everywhere. Ooh, forgot my setting spray and I'm too lazy to go and get it. So I guess this stuff is just gonna fall everywhere now. So I always forget that this camera only records for like 20 to 25 minutes and then it shuts off. So hopefully I got a lot of what I just filmed. I hate that. I don't understand why. Like, who? Whatever. It's the way it is, Leah. Shut up. Okay, now I want to play with this Frozen gel glitter stuff from, I think it's from ColourPop. I haven't really played with it much since I got it. I think I played with it a couple times, but it's really pretty and I think it will go with this look, but I'm not really sure where to put it. I'm thinking like here? Maybe? Let's try. It's probably gonna look dumb. Yeah, that's cute. I think we're just gonna have to go with it whether it looks good or not because I already started. Ooh, whoa, that's a lot. Put a lot on right there. Oops. It does kind of lift off the makeup underneath if you work it too much. Okay. I think that'll do for the glitter. Okay, now let's do our mascara and some lashes so I can look cute for no reason. The reason is for me, right? I'm the reason. I'm the reason I want to look cute. I like this mascara from Revolution Beauty, this Lion King mascara. It's very separating. I think it's the brush. There's so many little little teeths on there, and it really separates. I love mascara. What is it about mascara that just, you could have had the stupidest looking eyeshadow job and you put the mascara on and it's beautiful. And I feel like, I don't know, I feel like I don't even need any lashes. I mean, they're not that, it's not very lengthening, but they're very fanned out, and I don't know, something about it, I just want to leave it just the way it is. Highlighter, back into my Little Mermaid palette, because it doesn't just have eyeshadows, it has blushes and bronzers and highlighters. This is a great little like travel palette because, I mean, like I said, it has more than just eyeshadows. Right now we're going in, actually, you know what? I need to do my blush before I do my highlighter. I like to do my blush first, so that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, now highlighter. I like this one because it's not like crazy highlighter. I'm not always in the mood for crazy highlighter. Sometimes I am, but this is like just a touch. Not too much. Not too much on the nose. I think all we have left is lipstick. Let's do pink, like a soft pink, huh? What do you think? We'll do this kind of shimmery pinky purple. I need a good lip scrub. Like, my lips are always dry, which I don't understand because I have very oily skin. So I need to find something really bad. Almost a little embarrassing. I have all this cute makeup and then lips. Cute. I like. Aww. Now I am in a festive, celebratory mood. What do you think? 100 subscribers. before I go, I just gotta give a big thank you to all of you who have subscribed to my little channel here. It's just a fun little outlet for me, and hopefully you will have fun too with me. If you liked this video, let me know by giving it a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, make sure and subscribe. Join the 100 other people who are super cool and super cute. Make sure and ring the notifications bell so that you'll see the videos that I put up. And I will see you in the next video. Bye. But before I go, I just want to thank everybody so much who has to celebrate having hit 100 subscribers. To celebrate having